Hello, my friends. If you're in our Stamp and Die Hard Club, you're getting these stamps and whoa, these dies that match sent to you automatically. But wait, there is more. We're also adding extra items to the collection for these beautiful flowers. And I wanted to show you a bundle that we have going on our website for a limited time. So not only is it our everyday low price, then we also add a flash sale on top of that. Then our club discount gets on top of that. But you get an extra discount if you buy the whole enchilada, or also known as the whole collection, right? Ready, get set, go. You would get the stamp set of stems that match the awesome bouquets. You're getting the dies that match. You're getting the extra words. Most of these are perfect for the inside of the cards because they have beautiful poems and things like that. You're also getting the 3 stencils that coordinate with the whole collection. And you are also getting this awesome word die set that I know doesn't look like much, but here we go. It is You Are One Cherished Lady. Get in on the bundle, save even more. It's like I'm giving you the rock bottom price. Seriously, I am paying you to be my friend. That's pretty much what it comes down to. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Once this bundle's gone, it's gone forever. So get in on those extra discounts. I'll see you at the website. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.